Hi, I'm Andrew Stevenson, and in today's video I'm going to show you my first quarter's earnings and sales from 2023 and compare them to 2022. So we'll start off with the orders made in 2023. So this is from January the 1st to March the 31st, and I sold 121 books. So about 40 books a month. Not bad. In an ideal world, I'll have made about, $2 a book, so $240. We'll check the royalties in a second, but we'll just have a look at how many books sold. So in the first 3 months of this year, you can see there, out of 121 books sold, the vast majority were craft paper pads. It would probably be easier to add up the ones that weren't craft paper pads. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 17, 27. So 90 odd books were craft paper pads, which is, it's a vast majority of books were craft paper pads. Quite similar between the top two sellers. Now Steampunk, as I've mentioned before, that was one of the first books I made, and I also priced it pretty high, $6.99. The coffee paper pad I priced lower originally at $5.99. This is in pounds, not dollars. So $5.99. I have upped the price now at $6.99, so hopefully I'll see a slight increase in royalties as the sales continue. And by far, no surprise, US is the biggest market by a mile. Just have a look at a few others. Yep, US and Italy. So there you go, 121 books, making me the royal sum of £147.10. So that works out at $180-ish currently. So about 150-ish. So it's not loads, but it's not too bad. Sometimes you see books that are selling and they make 3 cents. What's the point? So 150, it's not too bad. Hopefully that average will increase as I have increased the prices of the books. Now we'll compare that to last year, 2022. 91 books sold. So that's 30 more books sold this year compared to last. And again, if we look down, craft paper pads make up the most of them, although I did sell quite a few more planners. But yeah, craft paper pads make up the majority of those books. And the money last year was 112. So again, what's that, about £30 up? £35 up, and 30 books. So £112 is what, $140-ish as things stand, which is again about $150 a book. So pretty similar to this year profit per book. There was more apartment books sold, which I think might have a slightly higher royalty, but fairly similar. Hopefully over the next couple of months the comparison will show a bigger increase in the profit per book thanks to the price increase. But that's not too bad. It's a definite increase of, so that's a year-on-year increase of about 30% in both quantity sold and royalties made. So it's nothing to, I'm not going to retire, but it's a good step. Fingers crossed next quarter will be even better. So that's it for today's video. I hope you're all doing well sales wise. Remember, every sale is a victory. You don't have to be making thousands of sales and thousands of dollars a month to be pleased with what you're doing. Could I be doing better? Yes, but I'm improving, and and this is very much a secondary thing for me. This is majority passive. I make a few bucks a year, so I'm pleased with a few £100. It helps pay for mobile phone bills, gym bills, maybe the odd pint if I feel the urge to give myself a treat. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.